What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're all about firearm related content, and if you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and jump down there, smash that subscribe button, and be sure to click that notification bell so you get updates on future videos. Today we have a special mail time. Well, they're all a little bit special. We've got a package in the mail. Actually, it came UPS from Streamlight. So really excited to get into this box and see what we have. We're going to do just that coming up next. Now, if you're a regular on the channel, you probably know that I am a super big fan of Streamlight lights. I've got an old school Streamlight Stinger LED, this one right here. Use that for all sorts of things, and as far as my EDC for many years now, been carrying around things like the Streamlight Stylus here, which is a 2 AA battery unit, and also the Streamlight Macrostream right here, which is a single AAA battery light. More recently, made some contacts with them and was blessed enough for them to send me a few things to review. That's what we're going to unbox today, is one of those. A few weeks back, received this beauty in the mail, the cordless, wireless, rechargeable Waypoint 300 Spotlight. Got a video on this up on the channel now. I'll link that up above somewhere, so be sure to check that out. For now, though, let's get into this box. As with every box, we have to figure out how it opens before we can do anything else. All right, box is open. Let's get things out. Throw that box away, don't need it. Throw the bubble wrap away, don't need it. And what I've got here, again, big thanks to Streamlight for letting me check some of this stuff out, is the Macrostream. So interesting. I'll get it out of the package here in just a second, but the Macrostream, a little bit bigger version of my Macrostream, if you can see right there, which is really cool. Appears to be USB rechargeable. Says it's 500 lumens. Let's get into the package here. And the package, who needs it? So, moment of truth, does it work? Does it have any kind of charge on it? Yes, it does. So that's kind of cool. It's got a momentary function. Obviously, it's got an on, off, and momentary. So that's cool. And yeah, just a bigger version, literally bigger USB rechargeable version of my Macrostream. So probably going to add this one to my EDC rotation. It's not that much heavier, a little bit bulkier than that Macrostream, but not terribly heavier. As far as the recharging aspect, yeah, it comes with your USB cable there. It comes with a little lanyard loop. I guess that would be, also comes with the instruction or destruction manuals. Either way, probably printed in several languages that this redneck can't read. So, really don't need that either, right? Now, with this being USB rechargeable as opposed to just being able to throw a readily available AAA battery in my flashlight, my initial thoughts is I'm not really sure what to think about it. Obviously, the big Stinger LED here is rechargeable, but it's also not an EDC, and when you reach for that EDC, you definitely want it to work, right? So jump down into the comments below. Let me know your thoughts on a USB rechargeable flashlight. Do you like them? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Let me know. So there you go, crew. There is the mail time unboxing of the Streamlight Macrostream USB rechargeable flashlight, supposedly 500 lumens. Again, big shout out, big thanks to Streamlight for the opportunity to T&E this. Really stoked to be able to work with a company that I've enjoyed the products for so many years. Look for more content, obviously, reviews in the video form as well as the written form over on gear-report.com. And yeah, thanks for hanging out, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.